Hello everyone. Did you know 90% of consumers read reviews before choosing a business? Your reviews are as important as personal recommendations. Let's explore how to effectively encourage customers to leave reviews that attract others. Timing is everything. Ask for reviews right after a purchase or service and consider sending requests midweek in the morning for the best response. Have not heard back in a week? A gentle follow-up can help. But if there is no response, simply move on. Make it enjoyable with gamification. Offer discounts or prices for reviews to boost engagement. Utilize various channels like emails, text, and social media to reach your target audience effectively. Highlight positive reviews on your website, social media, and always respond to feedback, good or bad, showing you value customer input and are committed to improvement. Start implementing these strategies now to enhance your business credibility and growth. Every review is a stepping stone to your next opportunity. Ask actively, make it easy, and always show appreciation. Ready to boost your reputation? Start asking for those reviews today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips.